What are like three pounders or what, 2 pounders or what?
I caught a 6.5 out of here.
No way. That's dirty. It is a popper.
Popping frog.
Yeah. That's weird. Okay. Sweet. All right, let's get in there. All right, which one should I take, baby? You said there's another frog here, right? All right, sweet. All right. Don't forget to squish it, you know? Oh, they don't? You did? Hit one. Woo, baby. Yeah, but he hit it last second. Is it okay to flip these ones or no? All right. He hit it last second right here. Oh, this is a nice fish. Woo, baby. He nailed that frog, babe. Hey, baby, come on. Slow up for me. Oh, these are some nice fish. Heck yeah, this is how we do it. I'll bait the hook, baby. Woo! That's a nice little chunk. What is that, 2 pounder? Heck yeah. He come up, cranked it right here. I slow retrieved it. Dang. I had a feeling too. I was like, I'm gonna get one of these suckers. Awesome. All right. Hey, you think you could take this for me for a second?
Okay.
All right, guys. Nice little chunk. A little dirty, but nice fish. Little chunk, 2 pounder. You should be all right. There we go. Thank you. Yeah.